Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making taco mac and cheese in a Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. Alright, I'm starting out in my Ninja Foodi. I have it set on saute high and it's hot. I'm going to throw in a little over 2 pounds of ground beef. Now this isn't lean, I'll probably have to drain the fat off. And when it's about halfway brown, I have one onion here I diced up. I'm going to throw that in and saute it with the ground beef. Alright, now that my ground beef browned up, I drained it and I put that onion in the saute for a while. I'm going to season this. I'm going to use, you're probably getting sick of seeing me do this, guys. You guys have been watching me, but I'm using my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. This stuff covers all the bases, and it's really delicious. If you don't have this, just put a little salt, pepper, and garlic powder in. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon. Give that a stir. Alright, now I'm going to put in a pack of taco seasoning mix. Because this wouldn't be taco mac and cheese without this stuff. And we're still set on saute. Keep the pressure cooker hot, and when you're ready to bring it up to pressure, it'll come up quicker for you. Throw that in. Guys, this is smelling really delicious. Now I'm going to add in 4 cups of beef broth. Down in there. And I have a 16-ounce box of shell pasta. I'm going to dump this in. Give that a stir. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of water, guys, because that doesn't seem like enough liquid for that pasta, because this here is going to drink it up like crazy. So let me get a little water in there. I'm going to start by adding 1 cup in. We'll see how that looks. That looks good. So there's 5 cups of liquid total in there. And that will drink up that liquid, guys. Not to worry about that. I'm going to close my lid down and slide it over to the pressure setting. Alright, it's already set on high pressure for 10 minutes. That's where we want it. So I'm just going to press start. This will build up the pressure. It'll pressure cook for 10 minutes. And after the 10 minutes, we'll do a quick release of pressure. Alright, now that we're done pressure cooking, you see all that liquid's pretty much gone. Pasta gets thirsty when it's pressure cooking. Now I have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. That'll let it warm up to room temperature so it's easier to work with. I'm going to get it down in here and get it all melded in the pasta. This is going to make it nice and creamy. So we'll get our cream cheese in there. Alright, now that my cream cheese is melted in there, I'm going to add in some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to add it in gradually so we don't get one big ball of cheese in there. And I still see a little bit of cream cheese, but that'll melt in as I stir this cheese in. Okay, add a little more cheese in. Guys, this is really smelling delicious. And I'm adding this in about, I'd say it's about 3/4 of a cup at a time. You can't get too much cheese in, so don't worry if you how much you put in. More cheese, more better. Remember that. Just a little more cheese in. So I'm going for probably about 3 cups of cheese total. Set that over there. Alright. Now I'm going to add in some chunky salsa. This here is a 24-ounce jar. I'm going to start with about 1/4 of it. We're not going to add all of it in there. And if you like, you can add this in the beginning when you put your beef broth in. It really doesn't matter what order you put it in. I'm going to put a little more in. We're putting a little less than half a jar in. So probably about 11 ounces. You want to mix that in well. That way there it's well incorporated in every bite. Now if you do this in a regular pressure cooker, it's done at this point. It's ready to serve. But since we're doing it in the Ninja Foodi, I'm going to air fry this for a minute. Alright, I've set an air fry. This is at 390. That's going to be fine. I'm going to set my time for 10 minutes. It's not going to take that long, so I'll check on it. We want it to get nice and golden brown on top. Alright, this one for 4.5 minutes. You can see it's all nice and golden brown and ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and garnished this with some green onions and fresh diced tomato. You can garnish it with anything you like. Guacamole, sour cream, pretty much anything. Let me get in here and give this a try. Get a little tomato and green onion in that. It's really delicious. Cheesy taco flavor, creamy. That's really easy, wasn't hard at all. Taco mac and cheese in a Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.